I'm going to go over 5 of the best marketing strategies that cleaners can be doing right now. I talk to dozens and dozens of cleaning and restoration companies every week, and one of the common questions that I get asked is, should I even advertise right now? And the simple answer is yes. Do you want any business? Then you should be doing some type of marketing. Now, I get it. There are still areas that are somewhat in shutdown mode, but for the most part, areas are opening it up. And even if you're able to get business at all, if you're legally allowed to be in business, you should be marketing. You should be doing something to get cleaning or restoration jobs coming in. So I'm going to go over 5 top ideas that I see working right now this week for cleaning and restoration companies. Now, the number one thing that I'm going to recommend to you is to communicate to your past clients, because the big thing that you have to stop and ask yourself is, do my clients even know that I'm open? Do they know that I'm still in business? Because some cleaning and restoration companies might not be, or they might be closed down on purpose or because they want to be. So you need to let them know that yes, you're open, sending out a postcard like this, doing online and offline marketing to let all of them know that you're open. Sending out this is like a 4x6-inch postcard sent out, letting them know you're open, letting them know what you're doing, especially for COVID-19, for prevention for your employees and for your clients. These are postcards that we're printing up for members, 4x6-inch postcards, 1,000 of them for even less than this right now, even like $40 for 1,000 postcards like this. And you can send these as a postcard stamp for 35 cents. We've even got ways that we can mail these for you. But doing something like this, I had one member that mailed 2,000 of these out and has brought in nearly $10,000 and definitely expects to do over $10,000 of work off of sending out 2,000 postcards. Spent well less than $1,000 on doing this. So you can even have these mailed. We've got programs that we can help you mail these for you for around 29 cents. And as well, do the same message in email newsletters. Take the same message and post it on Facebook in the form of GIFs, animated GIFs, or just the same exact message on Facebook. Run ads around those messages. Do this. Let your past clients know that you're open. Number one and foremost, if you've been open for at least a year. Now, what do you do if you're brand new or you're newer and you've already marketed to your past clients? Because if you've been in business for a while, you need to do that first. After that, what else do you do? Well, neighborhood marketing is still a very, very good tactic to do. And one of the best tactics is every door direct mail. These are large postcards that you can send and let people know that we're currently in your neighborhood cleaning very often. And here's a very special offer for you. And that's been a very good tactic. Also, taking that same message and putting it online using Google Display Ads and letting them know that we're the neighborhood cleaner. Using Google AdWords in specific niche neighborhoods, letting them know you're the neighborhood cleaner. Very good tactic. I see cleaners all the time get, and not to promise that you always get this, but often get 5-to-1, 10-to-1, 20-to-1 returns on your investment in Google AdWords. Now, EDDM, when you do EDDM, that can be done for as little as 15 to 18 cents per home for EDDM mailers. Now, commercial cleaning marketing, something very important to do right now, especially if you do disinfecting and sanitization services, very important to do. So what methods can you use to reach commercial prospects? Sales letters. This is a letter where we've given them a free $50, you can use $100, whatever you want to do, towards your cleaning service. It's been a very effective letter. Also doing Google AdWords in some cities, especially bigger cities, can be a really good method for getting new jobs coming in. Yes. And speaking of Google Ads, why not do Google Ads for residential as well? Commercial, residential, yes. Now, the neat thing about Google AdWords is it's not the easiest thing to do. So I'll be upfront with you about that. But in some ways, that's good for you, because if you learn a few of the right things to do with Google AdWords, you can easily beat the competition. There's so many bad Google AdWords campaigns out there that it's fairly easy. Not all of them hire a Google AdWords company, but there's ways and things that you can learn that's a little bit of a learning curve, but not too difficult, where you can do Google AdWords and actually beat your competition very simply, very easily, and even get clicks for less money than what they're paying when you do it right. Speaking of that, along those same lines, SEO. Right now, if you're slower, and even at any time, you should be doing some things to make sure that you're ranking in SEO. You should be doing some things for getting ranked on the Google Maps. We're actually doing a course right now in the Ad Coaching Club where we're teaching cleaning and restoration companies how to get ranked on Google Maps, how to get ranked in Google Organic. We've also got courses where we've taught on Google AdWords and things like that. But what do you do for your website? What do you do for your Google AdWords campaigns? That's one of the most important things that you can be working on right now. Again, not always the top foremost, but one of the most important things that you could be working on is doing some SEO, making sure that your website's ranking, making sure that you're getting clients coming in there. Now, we do have training for all of these things to help you get this done. Google AdWords, SEO, every door direct mail, all of this. We also have templates already done for you for Google AdWords, for email newsletters, for postcards, for EDDM neighborhood marketing. We've got all this stuff, and we even can do the graphic design for you if you don't know how or you don't want to do the graphic design. You get a free graphic design once per month in our Ad Coaching Club. So if you're interested in signing up for the Ad Coaching Club, click the link below this video, go to hitmanadvertising.com/coaching, or give us a call at 850-474-1110.